to the European Open. We are just about 22 minutes into the trading day right now, looking at green arrows across European equity indexes. The FTSE right now up 3.25%. The DAX back in a bull market, up more than 20% from its May 18th low. Now, the coronavirus outbreak has led to entire countries shuttering. Of course, trade has taken a severe hit. The owner and operator of the port of Duisburg in Germany says it's seen the biggest effect in cargo handling as the flow of goods from China and other Asian nations has been cut in half. Let's get to Eric Schacke. He's the CEO of Duisport Group. He joins us on the phone from Duisburg right now. Eric, let me first ask you what kind of recovery you're starting to see. I mean, as we get supply chains back online in Asia, are you seeing the flow of goods come back at a decent pace?
Yes, we do see it. It's always it takes some weeks with respect to the trains, but we saw a significant increase in the beginning of this month, and we see a big increase for the whole period in April and May, because all the cargo which couldn't be shipped by the deep sea carriers in the month of crisis, especially in February, have now to be shipped by the deep sea carriers as well, and by the trains, because it's a shorter distance and it's a shorter lead time. So I'm quite optimistic that this month will be good as far as the cargo from China is concerned.
Eric, yes, that's the story from China. What about the movement of those products onward through to the rest of Europe? Are there any issues in the onward route for you?
Yeah, well, as far as the European cargo shipments are concerned, they are on a low basis for sure, especially the so-called continental cargo. Take as an example, Italy. We have a strong percentage of cargo handling between Italy and Germany, and in especially our region. This is low in same with Spain and other countries. So overall, we have a strong downgrade for sure.
Do you see, Eric, shipping routes and supply chains being reorganized for good? I mean, is this something that's going to change the way Europe does business?
I guess it's too early to justify some changes or to make some forecasts in that direction. As far as the supplement with specific goods in Europe itself are concerned, it is, take pharmaceuticals for instance. There will be in the future. I expect more production here in Europe. It's not going back from a globalized world, but in serious and specific areas, I guess European production will start again, and not having all these facilities in China and depending on that. As far as the Asian European trades are concerned, I do not see significant changes. Right now, it is.
Eric, can I ask you about automation as well? I'm sorry to jump in. How automated are your operations at the moment, and how automated could they be?
Well, as far as the handling of containers are concerned, the automation has been developing quite nicely. We are doing a lot in that direction. It is difficult to. It's not a big jump. We are are automating in our industry step by step, and this will maybe have an effect in 4 or 5 years, but not